Okay, so for number 9, you're looking at both law of sine questions. The reason why is because you're going to notice the image you here. You have a two angles and a side, and you're asking to find another side. Okay, that's basically the law of sine, right? So sine of 48, its opposite to that is h. Okay, and from sine 42, its opposite is 12. Okay, that's how you set it up. Okay, you cross multiply both sides by 12 and h, so it's 12 sine 48 equals to h divided by sine 42. That's what h is. So h is approximately 13.3 foot. Okay, and again, how do I know it's sine 48 over h? Because the angle has a relationship with the opposite side. So from 48, the opposite side is h. So from 42, its opposite side is 12. That's basically the law of sine. Okay. Now you're trying to do this. Okay. The question is asking for the length of Maple to 2nd Street. But for us to use the law of sine, you need to know the angle that basically creates it. So you need to actually know this angle. But we don't have it. Yes, you do. If you use your triangle sum, you know that the angles inside a triangle add up to 180. So 180 minus 88 minus 54 gets you 38. From there, then you can set up the triangle sum. So sine 38, its opposite would be x, which is from Maple to 2nd. Then from sine 54, opposite to 54 is 210. Okay, cross multiply. Okay, then divide. That's what h is. Notice it always follows this pattern, right? It's like sine something over sine something else times this side length. Okay, right? Okay, and that will get you the value of 1,559. Here, let me show you. Look, it's right here, right there. 1,559.8. There you go. Okay.